My name is Sean Phuphanich, and I'm the Vice President of eCommerce and Information Technology here at Pinnacle Promotions. We're here in Norcross, Georgia, near Atlanta. We are a branding and promotional products company, and so we can put your logo on pretty much anything. So before Odoo, I think we were in a situation like a lot of companies where we had a lot of separate systems that were all doing different things. We were able to replace multiple software with a single platform: CRM, order processing, and accounting. So for us, it was really about order processing and production efficiency. So we used their sales and purchasing module extensively. And we were able to customize that for our unique process in decorating products for the promotional products industry. Online, it's a very competitive space. And so in order to compete with that, you have to have great pricing, great service, has to be fast. And so with Odoo, we were able to cut down our production and order processing time by about half, as well as cut our costs in actually processing those orders. So it's allowed us to be a little leaner, a little more competitive, and be successful. Bista was one of Odoo's largest implementation partners, so we were introduced through Odoo. They had a good reputation, and we had talked extensively with other people that had worked with Bista. So we felt comfortable starting out with them, and we've now been working with them for over 2 years, so we're quite happy with our decision. We work directly with all the development team. We consider them part of our team, so all of our daily meetings, all of our discussions, you guys were an integral part of that. Even though we had to change quite a few things midway through the project, because we worked so closely, because they understood our core business process and what we were trying to do, we were able to adapt and still deliver on time with the same budget. You know, most of the time it just comes down to money. And so where we saw a significant gain with using Odoo was we were able to save money by consolidating systems. But then in addition to that consolidation of systems, we were able to save money because everything we did ended up being simpler and faster. As far as our internal order processing time, it's about 50% faster than it was before. In terms of costs that we've been able to measure, in terms of labor costs, come down by about 33% of just people involved in the order processing. So it's a fairly complex order process that we have. So errors are one of the challenges that we are very aggressive in managing. But with the consolidation of systems, with some additional built-in intelligence to help correct for common mistakes, we went from about 13% down to 3% in terms of just errors that are made prior to things getting to the customer. I myself have worked on the consulting side of software, as well as used a number of software consulting companies, and I think Bista has been a great partner. It's one of the reasons we've been working with them for multiple years now, even after the initial project finished. I think they have a great talent pool to work with, and they've been very accommodating. So wherever we have needed to change things or get additional resources or find additional expertise, they've always been on point to help with that.